Hello everyone, welcome to myITreturn.com. So in this video, we will learn how to make corrections in AIS to rectify inaccuracies in AIS and TIS transactions is important. So let's see how it is done. Go to the e-filing portal and click on login. Enter your PAN number. Click on continue. Now enter your password and again click on continue. Navigate to the AIS and proceed. Select the AIS option and once again click on the AIS tab. All the information will be displayed on the screen. The information you receive might not always be perfect, so it's important to check it and let the Income Tax Department know if you find any mistake. This way, you can avoid any sort of notice from the department. Let's say you put Rs 3 lakhs in a fixed deposit for a year. If you withdraw the amount early and put it back in another FD, the bank system might show a total of Rs 6 lakhs even though you had Rs 3 lakhs. So this is the mistake and you should tell the Income Tax Department so that they know. To rectify such errors, identify the arrow symbol situated on the left side of the information and click on it to reveal the detailed information. Later on, select the optional tab. This will reveal the relevant information. Now, proceed to the feedback section and select the appropriate feedback type based on your assessment. Finally, click on the submit button to complete the process. If you require an expert's assistance in this regard, you can visit to www.myITreturn.com. You can also reach out to us via email at support@myITreturn.com or directly WhatsApp us at 9320546101. Thank you.